Good morning, class. And you have a holiday tomorrow. Why, ma'am? Why do we have a holiday? Children, tomorrow is 15th August, Independence Day. India is our beautiful country. Our tricolor has 3 colors: saffron, white, and green. Today, India is independent. Ma'am, what do you mean by independence? It means freedom, Arav. Being independent means being able to do things on our own. Can you say the word independent?
It's too tough.
It's okay, nice try. Let's clap, and say it together.
Independent. I can wear my shoes by myself.
Our teacher said we should do things on our own.
Yes, let's try to tie this string together.
I can eat my food by myself.
I can put away my toys.
Wonderful! You are learning to be independent too. Happy Independence Day! I can be independent too. Jai Hind!